These are the adventures of a temporarily out of work wife and mother. And this is the bombastic side eye of a frustrated husband. That lady's son that I married and I took a trip to the Lowe's because today we're starting our downstairs DIY project. Well, I'd actually started some days before. I started with measuring and compiling a list of everything that we would need. That lady's son that I married put me on a strict schedule and budget. If I want to use his coins, his time, and his labor, then I gotta dance to the beat of his drum. We are two very different people who do things, think, speak, and act in two very different ways, which is understandable because we're two different people. But the truth is we have a terrible track record of doing projects together. At this point, it was about 11 something at night. I wasn't even thinking about my indoor camera. I was being myself, he was being himself. I needed to measure the wall from where the ceiling begins downstairs to the top of the ceiling on the staircase. And I was struggling using the tape measure, so I asked for help. And that's how this all started. Reflecting on the hilarity of it later on, I remembered that I had footage. And here we are.
I need help. I can't do this by myself. Do what? I need to measure the walls. What walls? All of them, so I know how much paint we need. I don't know. Can you just help me measure? You're not measuring? No, no. You got another way to measure it? Yes, I do. I just need you to hold the damn measuring tape.
So I told him what I needed, and instead of helping me, this is what he did.
Measure this right here first.
I continued to struggle, failing miserably to measure a 9-foot wall by myself. And eventually, he went into his bag of tricks, or in his tools of the trade, and came back with a gadget that I'd never seen before in my life, which I now know is a laser measuring tool. And instead of just showing me how to use the darn thing, he gotta be all uppity. I'm teasing y'all, I'm teasing. But this is when the battle of the sexes began.
Measure. How you do it? You point it to the wall. What's that, feet? I need inches first. Inches? Yeah, I need inches first. What do you mean inches? I need inches. It's always in feet first. I need inches first, then I'm gonna do it. You gotta tell me how to do it. I just did. You talking about you need feet, inches? Ain't you don't measure stuff by inches? You do it by feet. You can easily transfer from inches to feet. No, it makes no sense. Everything is feet and inches. That's why it'll take forever stretching your arms up. You do that part, but why do you have to be nasty? I'm not. You keep determined to do it. I'm not. You gotta show me how to work it. I just did. It's an easier way to do it. Just show me how to work the machine, man. All you do is this is where you go. If you go from here to there, that's your measure. That's the whole part? That's the whole part. I don't gotta put this back in? It's already. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to put it here. No, it's measuring from this back part. Oh, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm saying. So from there to there is 2. It's 2 feet? What that mean down there? What that mean? Is see that 2.04? That's why I need inches. No, you don't worry about the bottom part. You worry about the first number. Yeah, the first part I say 2.04. No, it's we knew that was all, right? See how it's not on the wall exactly? You put it on the wall. Measurement changes, right? 6'2". 6 feet 2 inches. Is it 6 feet 2? Come on. Put your hand. What do you do?
And this is when I let my intrusive thoughts take over. Yep, you saw it. I bit his hand because he had it right in my face. How you gonna talk to me crazy and have your hand in my face? I was joking, but I wasn't. I ain't bite him hard, y'all. But he wasn't going for none of that. That man walked off immediately.
Come back. You the
who was being mean. Come back. Come here. You being mean. So put it where? Where I'm putting it? You gotta figure that out when you measure this. The back part is your start part. But that meat, like, you don't got it exactly where the wall is, you measurement. Okay, say 6 feet 2 inches. Okay, so if I do it right here, it's gonna do the same thing? Where the back part is. Oh. Where you trying to measure it? From right here. It say 9 feet and 2 inches. I just told you you have it in the corner. That gotta be exactly on the thing. You said that. I did that. No, you had it like this. No, I didn't. It was not against the wall. No, it wasn't. It said 9. See, it's exactly how I just had it. See, it say the same thing. Tell me, why you acting like I'm stupid now? It say 9 foot and 2 inches. Where was you at when I was trying to do it earlier? And in typical woman fashion, now that I got it, I got a fuss. Somewhere in there I did forget to say thank you, but y'all seen he was being mean. Plus, he watched me running around all day long measuring stuff and never offered his little gadget until I asked for his help, and he ain't want to help. So this DIY project is going to include several things: restoring the leather furniture, staining all of the wood furniture, redesigning our accent wall, designing the space under the bar top, painting the ceilings, the walls, the trim, and the door, removing some furniture, adding some accent pieces. And we're going to take you all along for the ride. So I spent several more hours going around the downstairs of the house, measuring the walls, the ceilings, the carpets. And once I had all of the measurements written down, I transferred it to my handy dandy spreadsheet. Now, I used all of that information to estimate things like how much paint we would need per square foot, how much stain we would need for the leather and for the wood, how much frog tape, carpet protection, furniture protection, how much time each activity would take. Then with a schedule and a tentative budget, I had to convince that lady's son that I married to invest in it. As it currently stands, the budget is about $5,200. We've spent about $1,700, and there's still about $3,400 remaining to be spent. Now, I dragged that lady's son that I married to the Lowe's, and we got a whole lot of the things that we needed. And then we went ahead and ordered everything else online from Amazon, Ace Hardware, Rub and Restore, and Wayfair. The packages are coming in, and the bill is adding up. Hence, that bombastic side eye. Check out the updated links in my link tree, which is in my bio, for the items that we're using. As before, I'll keep you all updated.